In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom greeting card using Google Docs. Designing a card can be a fun and creative process, and it's quite simple to achieve using this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Docs and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the blank document option. This will give you a clean slate to start your card design from scratch. Next, head over to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen, and from the drop-down, select Page Setup. Here, you'll need to change the page orientation to Landscape. This allows your document to fold like a card, making it perfect for a greeting card layout. While you're in the page setup, adjust the margins to around 0.55 inches. This setting will give you some extra space to work with and allow your design elements to breathe a little. Once you've made these changes, click OK to apply them. Now, you'll want to set up your card layout by inserting a table. Go to the Insert menu and under Table, choose to create a table that's 2 columns by 1 row. This setup will be the canvas for your card. The left side of the table will be the back of the card, while the right side will serve as the front. When you fold the paper as a card, everything lines up perfectly. Let's move on to designing the front cover. Click inside the right column of your table and start adding your creative elements. You can include images, decorative text, or even word art. To insert an image, go to Insert, then Image, and you can either upload your own or search the web for one. To add stylish text, select Insert again, then Drawing, and choose New to create word art. Make sure to center everything for a neat appearance. Now customize the back of your card by clicking the left column. Here you might choose to add a small logo, your name, or perhaps leave it blank for a more minimalistic look. It's entirely up to you. Next, let's proceed to the inside message. Press Ctrl plus Enter if you're on Windows, or CMD plus Enter on a Mac to create a new page. Insert another 2-in-1 table. Here the left side can be used for optional messages or pictures. And the right side is where your main greeting message will go. Type out your message and don't be shy to use fun fonts, colors, or even images. You can also use the Insert menu again for drawings, shapes, or banners for extra flair. Finally, if you'd like a seamless look, you might want to remove the table borders. Simply highlight the table, right-click, go to Table Options, and set the border width to 0 px. This helps to remove the visual lines around your card layout. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to print your card. Click on File and then Print. If your printer supports duplex printing, choose Print on both sides with the option to flip on the short edge. If it doesn't, you can print one side first, then manually flip the paper to print on the other side. Once printed, fold your sheet in half, and voila! In just a few simple steps, you've created a wonderful personalized greeting card all by yourself.